Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing this makeup look and following me around as I get ready for graduation. Point 2, 2.0, the second one. Anyways, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Anyways, yeah, it'll be grand. It'll make me happy. Wondrousness. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys to watch the video. Please enjoy it. Gonna go in with my Pro.Concealer. I already did my brows. Please don't mind me being weird. Literally just gonna paint my brow. All around my brow. So I did my brows this morning because I was rushing and I had to go and fetch like my gown and my hood and the tickets. And as it turns out, I was able to get extra tickets, which I didn't know was a thing. They literally tell you, Yano, you are allocated this many tickets and that's like it. And I was like, surely not. But I went with it. And then my friend called this morning and she was like, yep, can you get me 4 extra tickets? And I was like, no, she 4 extra tickets. 4 extra tickets. And she's like, yeah, I need 4 extra tickets. So, you know, I asked and actually, I didn't even ask. They offered and they were like, oh yeah, here you go. You can get extra tickets. Do you need any? So I was like, oh, yeah, I do. So I got extra tickets, which is great because now my sisters can both come in. You know, after like forcing them to come to Cape Town to support a girl, they can actually properly support a girl. So that's nice. Also, like sometime during the week last week, because I was like, oh, you know, why the hell not? Might as well be prepared. And initially I had decided that I wanted to do, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I wanted to do like a smoky eye. Let's zoom in with like hectic falsies. I mean, I really liked it, but like, I don't know, I'm not really feeling it today, so I'm gonna just try something and hope like how it works. Now, I'm gonna use this little brush, got it from eBay, be cute. We'll use that, I guess, as like our general color. Ooh, look at that, already creasing. How insane. Look what she said. Yeah. Everyone keeps asking if I'm excited, right? Ooh, so much orange. But yeah, as I was saying, people keep asking me if I'm excited, and like, I don't know, I feel like I'm not giving them the answer they want because I'm not really all that excited. I don't know, I feel like I should be, but I don't know. I guess I don't know. I did this last year. I hated my makeup, hated it, which is why there isn't like a vlog or anything about it, because like I'll put a picture up of like last year's vibes somewhere, but I don't know. I wasn't very happy with it. I was also like really tired. The ladies who did my dress didn't actually do what I asked for. It was like, well, wasn't actually a dress, it was a 2-piece. That's where the first issue came out, because they made me a dress. Believe me, this color, we're going to use it. Yeah. Make it together. I like this. I don't know, I don't take this palette more often. Stuff that in there. I don't know if anyone can see that. I dig it. Take that same orange blending brush here. I'm just gonna sort of like you know, make for the edges to be sort of the same on both sides. I'm going to go in with my concealer again to just kind of cut my Catrice eyeshadow in Please Gold Line because it's so pretty. I expect that. Ooh. Guys, this you do like a I'll be back. I gotta go open for my parents. Yeah. I'm back. My parents are here. Checking my Eyeliner Pro. I'm just gonna Eyeliner Pro face thing. Face powder in warm caramel. We're just gonna all over our face. Ooh. What is like color corrector? Oh, that's so orange. Oh, like really orange. I feel like my lights changed a little. That's a little bit better. I'm just gonna a lot actually. Yeah. How did that? Call back. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Are you ready?
Woo, look. No. You know you mess up your clothes? No. Can you even, adult? Apparently friggin' not. So there's just a lot of patting the makeup into my skin and stuff because you know, you gotta blend that bitch out. Gotta make sure she looking a little bit like skin, even if, you know, your skin don't really look like that. But we want everyone else to think that our skin looks like that. So continue on to pact we will. At this point, I had begun to set my face with the powder and stuff. I'm not sure what powder I used, if I'm being 100% honest. I just know it was some like translucent one. We're going to go in with this again for like my contour. I'll probably mix in with the MAC powder in a second. Yep. Just gonna do another thing. Yep. Gotta remember to blend your contour up and not down because you don't want your face drooping. The flashback is not bad. Just doesn't look the best. This blush, there is way too much mascara. I think I definitely might have overdone this just a smidge because, you know, no one needs to blush that far back, especially when you don't blush naturally like me. So, yeah. I feel like this and my mascara always have me looking like a crazy person, mouth wide open, eyes wide open. Everything's just, I mean, look at my face. We're going to take our fixed pick around. I'm just going to yeah, now we look good. Alright, from NYX in Gold Deposit, this Skin Mineralize thing. Pop it on the sponge as well. Yeah, today's not a brush day. I'm just not feeling it, so. This is us. Just gonna look. Straight up, the reason I wasn't feeling like brushes was because I didn't want to have to clean them all up after I made them all messy because I was feeling lazy. But like, this worked quite well, if I do say so myself. Yeah. No, I like highlight. M.O.D setting spray. I've got highlight done and all that jazz. I'm just gonna. As I'm sure you guys realize, I want this thing to sit on my face and to stay there. Do Sin by M.A.C. I know. I rate you could probably do this look with a matte sort of nude or a glossy nude, a nude lip basically. Would have also looked quite nice with this, but your girl was like, everybody look at me, so. Okay. This is me. Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna go drag on the lashes and I'm just gonna go through them elsewhere because this isn't comfortable. A gal is dressed, her hair is done, and her makeup is done. This is our vibe. This is my outfit. I will have someone do like a full thing from like far away. Maybe you can see it properly. But hey, my pants, they got slits. Yeah, you can even see my bras. What can you do? What can you say? Thanks for watching the video, you guys. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. I will put a link to the vlog that goes with this whole situation. Don't mind me and my weirdness. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.